It's very inspirational. Enjoyed his discussion about moving and transforming his workforce from the Rust Belt into high tech. It was very, very entertaining and very informative.
Steve did a nice job of presenting the change in the environment and the culture that needs to happen, and the traps that you can find yourself in, and was able to give us some good examples and some firsthand stories on it. So it was very helpful.
Oh, it was great fun. I've never heard that kind of a story told before, and it took me a while to figure out that it was gaskets, going to trains, going to electronics, and I just loved it.
We talk a lot about change in manufacturing, and I think Steve Blue's got a wonderful example with Miller Ingenuity of really following through on that, establishing the culture base for it, then having that lead into how his team was performing and the product mix that the company was going to have going forward, and then recognizing it's really a process and not something you do once and then you stop.
It's refreshing to hear a story from someone who's lived it, and it's obvious that Steve understands what it takes to really put the energy toward organizational transformation. I'm also in the business as well, and holding the space for an organization's future is exhausting because most organizations are really focused on how am I going to win or ship what's right in front of me, and so it seems crazy to invest in some idea that's unproven, has no precedent, and Steve understands that. So it was incredibly refreshing to be here to hear from another practitioner who knows what they're talking about because they've been through it.
I just spoke with Steve Blue, and it was a really exciting conversation speaking about American innovation, and it was exciting and inspirational.
Really appreciated his thoughts and his actions on what it's taking America to become America 2.0 and to bring onshoring and to make it the force that it should be.
I feel it's really exciting to see a lot of new development in the manufacturing industry, driven by maybe emerging technologies such as Internet of Things, big data, data analytics. It's very amazing the potential impact they will produce on the overall industry performance. I feel I am from a university. On the other side, we have a big maybe challenging or maybe responsibility for task like workforce training. I feel I had a good discussion with a lot of people about maybe new content that we might need to bring into the classroom that link the classroom instruction with the industry needs. So I feel it's a great experience for me.